असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, hello children. Welcome to MRMS Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss Grade 3 Science Chapter 7 The Story of Cooking Session 3. Yes, today we are going to discuss storing of cooked food. Food should always be cooked and eaten fresh. However, if some cooked food is left over after a meal, it should not be wasted. Let's find how to store cooked food properly. Any form of cooked food, freshly made or left over, should always be kept covered. This will prevent dust, flies, and insects from spoiling the food. Leftover food should be kept in the refrigerator in covered vessels. This stored food should be used within a day or 2 days. Milk should always be boiled before use. Boiling kills the germs which may be present in the milk. Milk get spoiled easily, especially in hot weather. To prevent this, it should be cooled and stored in the refrigerator in a covered vessel. In next session or in next video, we are going to learn different ways of cooking food.